Hey, hello guys, GVETech here again, and welcome. Today I'm doing an unboxing of the new AirPods third generation. Thanks, Apple. This is the new one. It came out a couple of days ago, and I have been using this, which is the first generation AirPods. Really great piece of headphones. Yeah, I love it. Although I use my daily driver is an Android phone, I've used this for close to 2 years, and it's just simply magnificent. Most of the features work. Everything is fine. It works great with my Android device, my Samsung 21 Plus. It's just awesome. But I decided that it's time for an upgrade, and this is what I've been waiting for. The AirPods Pro came out about a year plus ago, but I didn't get those because of the tips, and I really don't like headphones with the tips because it just doesn't work for my ears. So I just prefer it without the tip like this. So when Apple released this, it was like, wow, this is great. It comes with some features that this doesn't have. It has wireless charging, it comes with spatial audio. So I said, yeah, it's time for an upgrade. So I'm gonna check it out, just do an unboxing, and we'll take it from there. Most people know I am not by no means an Apple fanboy, but I use Apple products, and I'm one of the first people to call out Apple when they mess up. When they do something good, I'm with them. If they mess up, I'll say it. I won't just blindly follow them because they're Apple. And a typical example is the new MacBook Pros. They are just awesome. They've brought back the ports and everything, so you have USB ports on there. You even have an SD card slot, which is really key. I was wondering why they took that out. You have a headphone jack, you have HDMI ports, come on. But the only thing I don't like about it is that notch. They brought a notch to a desktop, which is meh for me. It just kills the whole aesthetics. So I'm gonna unbox this. This is a different kind. Let's see what we have here. Do I have to take this out? And oh, good. Okay, let's see. Ooh la la. Apple. I've always loved Apple's packaging. Really nice. Does anyone read these anymore? At least they give stickers. I don't even know. Nobody's gonna read this, to be honest with you. Put that to the side. No stickers. Just stop giving stickers at this point. Oh wow. And here it is. Ooh. Oh, and it comes with an engraving. And what does it say? Let me just take this off. There you go. GVETech. GVETech. That's what it is, engraved. There you go. But I've put WAF cider, but it's cool. So you can see the difference already in size. This one's wider and shorter, and it's wireless charging, which is good. So ooh, look at these babies. Let's look at the two of them and see. Wow, look at these babies. So Apple decided to make a new set of drivers for this, and the main difference is that it is much more shorter than the old one. Let me just take my old AirPods out. So there you go. You can see what it looks like. Tell you what, to make it better, let's just take the same left and left, compare lefts together. So yes, so you can see what it looks like. It is just, I think it looks bigger. This looks bigger, but then again, obviously shorter stem, longer battery life. And with this, one of the things I like is that you can actually tap to control. With these new ones, you have to pinch. So there's, if you can see it, there's a pinch. You can just, you pinch this to control. So I've heard good things about this, good reviews. So I'm gonna give it a try, and hopefully this becomes my daily driver. I love the way it looks, and I love that I was able to engrave it with this GVETech thing. Really cool. Wireless charging. Everything in my house is wireless charging, to be honest. The only time I plug stuff in with my devices is when I want to do a transfer to my laptop or to my main computer, my Mac Mini. Other than that, it's all wireless charging. I think that's where the world is going now. So these really look good. And if you can, I think you should get these. They're really good, and they fit in your ear so snugly you don't even know they're there. That's the thing. So I hope that translates into these new ones. So there you have it, my unboxing. Let's see what else is in here. Oh man, I don't know how many cables. To be honest, when Apple stopped giving chargers, I was one of the first people to go up in arms and say, no, you can't do that. But come on, how many of these cables do we have? How many? There's so many cables. You have white, black, all sorts of cables. And to be honest, I don't think I'm gonna even use this one, frankly. So I've spent a couple of days listening to music on the new AirPods, and it's a massive improvement and upgrade from the old ones. The bass is heavy, the highs and the mids are just crisp. Overall, general good sound. It's something that you should get. However, spatial audio does not work for Android devices. It's only available for Apple devices. So it's a goodbye. Until next time, take care and be good.